How to change language in Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let me tell you that you cannot change the language from Google Photos app itself. You'll need to change the region in your settings itself. So, I'll teach you how. Let's dive right in. Open up your settings, go to General, and then scroll down, go to Language and Region, and then tap on Region. Now, I want to change the language to Korean. So, on the search bar, search for Korea, tap on it, and you can tap on Change to South Korea. But you can see that applying this setting will restart your iPhone. So, after your iPhone restarts, your language will be changed to Korean. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.